Hi guys, this is Doris Barrios with Pacific Sotheby's. I want to let you know about this gorgeous property at a price reduction of $100,000. The property features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, almost 3,900 square feet of living space. Property is located in a cul-de-sac within the guard-gated community of Covenant Hills. Property is located very close to schools, shopping, you name it. Come see it. We are going to be hosting an open house this Saturday between 1 and 4. Again, the address is 4 Emmy Lane in the city of Ladera Ranch.